Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm looking at some, I guess they're around 32mm figures, 3D resin printed, which I did a couple of days ago. And I got these from Albino Raven Mini on myminifactory.com, and this is their police set, 5 figures. Before we go further, just to compare them to 28mm figures. So that on the right is a Warlord Games British Infantry, and on the left is the Albino Raven police officer. So you can see they're slightly bigger, maybe 32mm. 30mm, 32mm kind of size, but they could easily be scaled down just a few percent if you wanted to bring them into 28mm territory. Anyway, so these are the figures. I say modern police uniforms with the typical American police cap, and then all the gear. They're very nice designs. They print out very well, although I did have an issue with one of them, which I'll show you in a minute. But very nicely detailed. So we've got one with a rifle, one with a shotgun. So nice detail in the face there, and on the hat with the hat badge and the piping. Knee pads. I think I've got I've got cuffs on the belt and the holster. Although I'm not sure where his sidearm's gone. And then here we've got a guy with a sidearm. Nice radio mic there, and his police badge. They've even got a patch for his police department on his shoulder there. Although I think I'm going to need a microscope to paint that. And this is the 5th figure. This is the one that I had a problem with, hence it's not undercoated. Lovely figure, but there was a printing issue on the back, and I'm not sure if that was a problem with the file. They come in supported and unsupported, and I think I printed these as supported, and both of the ones that I printed came out like this. However, I've since printed the other version, the unsupported version, and added my own supports, and it printed out fine. So I'm not sure if that's a problem with the file, or the printer at the time, but nevertheless I've printed this one out properly and it's come out fine. But overall, very happy with these. That's a modern police set of 5 figures from Albino Raven Mini on my Mini Factory. Thanks for watching.